Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tax Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually add free shipping to your store in Shopify. Now let's say you want a free shipping from a order minimum of 50 euros or dollar. Now the customer has to order at least 50 euros worth of goods before they get free shipping, and that's what I'm going to show you today. Now it's a very easy process. So first open up your browser, head down to Shopify and open up your store. Now from there you sign in and you go to discounts, because this is where we're going to add the free shipping. Here we create a discount, as you can see right here. And here you have certain options to choose from. Now we're going to the shipping discount because it's actually discount. Now here you change the discount code to automatic discount. Now make sure to use a title, free shipping over 50 euro, for example. It depends on what you want to call it. And here choose selected countries if you're only locally based. So let's say you're only in the Netherlands. Now simply add this, and from there we're going to the availability. Now this is a point that we just can't ignore, and here is the minimum purchase requirements. Now this is very important, because if you want the customer to buy a certain amount of product for, let's say, 50 euros and then they get the free shipping, then you need to change the minimum purchase amount to, let's say, 50 pounds. Now this applies to all the products. So if they have a combination of 50 euros or 50 pounds in this instance, then the shipping discount will work. And here you have the combinations. Now it can be combined with product discounts or other discounts. That doesn't matter, because it's the 50 euros that counts. Now if you want, you can set an end date, but it's not important if you have it running all the time, because it's a very USP, a unique selling point for customers to buy at your store. Now here you save the discount and it should be automatically set to your store. Now make sure to test it. For example, simply buy a product and see what it does, so you can actually see what happens. And here you see the amount of used times. Now if you still get any other questions regarding this tutorial, or if this tutorial has helped you, for instance, please leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.